Okay, first let me congratulate you for not taking any impulsive action. I appreciate you may still be feeling irritable and unstable, but that's okay. That is to be expected. Just allow it to be. Accept that is just the way it is for the time being. Do not put up a struggle. Simply surrender to the way you feel. Now, let me explain why perseverance is so important. Alcoholism is simply a habit. A habit is something that develops through repeating the same procedures over and over again. Because of the seductive powers of alcohol, each time you experience turbulence, you seek escape and reach for the bottle. Ultimately, you suffer, and because of habit, you reach for the bottle again and induce even more suffering. This destructive cycle will carry on indefinitely if we don't intervene. By the very fact that you have refrained from reverting to the bottle today, you have initiated a very positive reversal process. You are breaking a destructive pattern, a destructive habit. Let's now take a look at what is happening behind the scenes, so to speak, in the brain. Whenever you do something repeatedly, neurons in the brain connect together to form what is known as a neural network. This neural network is strengthened the more you repeat the given action. For example, you feel fear, you drink. You feel guilt, you drink. Here we have two distinct occurrences: the trigger, which is the fear or the guilt, and the corresponding action, which is the drinking. Each time you encounter the stimulus, the corresponding action will be initiated. The whole procedure starts in the brain. The neural network is formed and strengthens in accordance with the repetition of the given action. This network then communicates with the hypothalamus, which is the chemical factory in the brain. This produces chemicals that correspond to the way you are thinking. These chemicals are then dispersed to different parts of your body to produce feeling. These feelings then drive your actions. Close inspection of this process enables you to see that thought induces chemicals that produce feelings, and these feelings produce actions. When we do something over and over again, this process becomes automatic. It is then said to be habituated, a habit. Now, if a habit is dependent on us doing the same thing over and over again, what happens if we refrain from indulging in the given action for a sustained period of time? Well, the neural networks disband. The software that is driving our habit breaks down and the habit is broken. So just by simply sitting there watching these videos, you are taking extremely positive action. You are enabling the destructive processes in your brain, the destructive neural networks to disband, and that leaves space for new neural networks, positive thought patterns, positive neural networks to form and give rise to positive feeling and positive action.